Hey, we're here to bring you Rockhounding, Oregon with some really cool tips, some neat tricks, and some urban hounding secrets.
And be sure and stick around to the end of this video because we have some valuable tips to help you find more cool rocks and agates.
And an excellent treasure trove of eye candy.
Oh yeah, stick around to the end of the video.
Always use the sun to your advantage because agates love to glow in the sunshine. They love being the rock stars of the rockin' world. Sorry about the shakiness of the camera. I was trying to move across the rocks to show you that beauty. Oh yeah, that's a glower. Nice yellow agate. It really is truly amazing. What water will bring to the surface. Like I said, the rock stars of the rockin' world. Footsuits are really important when you are in a rock pile. They love being brought to the top. Gorgeous agate. Little plate, but it's a beauty. Stop!
Oh, stop! Yeah, this video is definitely not over yet.
We just want to do a big welcome shout out to all of our hundreds of followers and subscribers. We are so grateful for y'all. Now, if y'all haven't subscribed to our channel and you're really into cool rocks and agates,
You want to learn more?
and you want to find your own treasure trove, consider subscribing.
Please do. So, on with the cool rocks, tips, tricks, a few secrets, and stick around to the
Definite eye candy.
end of this video for the real treasures that we found all in this one setting in this one day.
Yeah. And sometimes you kind of find a little pocket of them. So spray them down. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Nice chert. Nice little agate. And a really nice jasperized replacement wood. That is super. I did a foot sweep and oh my gosh, will you look what popped up? Oh, that is a beauty. Oh, we're gonna get it wet so you can really actually see what it looks like because it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, isn't that a beauty? Oh, wow. That is a stunning blower. Absolutely stunning flower. And here's an excellent example of a beautiful piece of petrified wood. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is just a gorgeous piece of petrified wood. And somebody was going to throw it in a drain so it could filter water. Gotta save that one. Okay, these are the pines after they've been given a bath. Just a quick cleaning. This one turned out spectacular. See if I can get it to angle better. Yeah. That way you can see the bands that are in it is just crazy. And there's my big boy. And there's that carnelian. That turned out to be absolutely gorgeous. There's that big red. And there's the petrified wood. And there's the septicarian nodule. I didn't even know it was a septicarian nodule when I picked it up. This is that gneiss. Oh, it turned out beautiful. And then here's the pines after my phone died. There's another piece of wood. This one's an interesting agate. It's got agate inside, but it's got calcite outside. And look at that little guy. Oh, he's spectacular. And this guy's gonna have a druzy pocket. I can already see that. And there's some reds. And this one, he's amazing. And there you go. This one has got agate in it. You can see it. You can see it's a nodule. That'll be interesting.
Hey, so we hope you have enjoyed so far what you've seen. But hey, we're not done yet. So you want to learn more about cool rocks and how to find cool agates? Hey, well, check out this video over my shoulder right here, because that will definitely help. We hear it from literally hundreds of people that they not only like it, but it's helped them shape how they search for new cool rocks and agates, how to ID them. So check this video out right here.
Oh, and remember, click the blue bell so you can get all of the notifications for our videos.
You betcha, and as SeaJay always says,
get out there, get rockin', and find
your treasure today!